10 Best Second Gen Swap Kit, 6.7 Cummins, 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Dodge Ram 6.7 Cummins CCV Filter, 2008 to 2021. Give your 6.7L Cummins the top-tier protection it deserves with our premium CCV filter, engineered for 2008 to 2021 Dodge Ram models. When that overhead console message pops up, or you've hit the 67,500-mile mark, our direct replacement filter is your perfect, hassle-free solution. Crafted from reinforced, high-quality, oil, and heat-resistant materials, this filter goes beyond OEM standards. It effectively removes harmful oil vapor, preventing engine wear, costly blockages, and ensuring your engine runs smoothly for years to come. Enjoy improved longevity and consistent performance, all while saving significant money over dealer parts. Plus, with a lifetime warranty, you can install with absolute confidence. Keep your Ram roaring strong. Number 9. 2007.5 to 2012 Ram 6.7L Cummins Cold Air Intake Kit. Ready to unlock the true potential of your 2007.5 to 2012 Ram 2500/3500 6.7L Cummins diesel? This 4-inch cold air intake kit is engineered for serious performance. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy and steel, its CNC mandrel bent tubes ensure maximum airflow, delivering a noticeable boost in power and throttle response. You'll feel the difference on every drive. Designed specifically for a perfect fit, this kit integrates seamlessly with your Cummins. We include everything needed for a straightforward installation. A comprehensive kit complete with the intake pipe for filters, screws, and an O-shape washer. Just confirm your vehicle details and get ready to experience optimized efficiency and exhilarating performance. Number 8. Dodge Diesel 1 3/4 inches Installation Kit, 2013 plus. Tired of constant fuel stops or fumbling with transfer pumps? Our Dodge Diesel 1 3/4 inches Installation Kit, 2013 plus, is your ultimate solution for effortless, on-the-go refueling. This comprehensive kit lets you seamlessly transfer diesel directly from your truck bed transfer tank into your main fuel tank. We've made it easy. It's an all-inclusive package featuring every hose and hardware piece needed for a straightforward setup. Designed for perfect integration, it works flawlessly with any 3/8-inch female pipe thread drain fitting. A quick pro tip for installation: use a tool to ensure the valve is fully closed. This prevents any spillage, guaranteeing a secure, leak-free system. Just confirm your Dodge model and extend your range with absolute confidence. Number 7. Dodge Ram Cummins Common Rail Injector Tool. Tackling crucial injector maintenance on your Dodge Ram Cummins 5.9L or 6.7L. Our specialized common rail injector tool is engineered to profoundly simplify this demanding job. Meticulously crafted from high-quality, durable carbon steel and finished with a protective black coating, it vigorously resists rust and corrosion, guaranteeing years of reliable, demanding use in any professional or home garage environment. This precision tool, an exact replacement for OEM 933-3401, enables you to safely extract delicate injector tubes, crucially preventing damage to critical and costly components like the injector cup. No specialized skills are required, just straightforward, reliable performance that makes a complex task accessible. Compatible with a wide range of 2003 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models, it's the essential addition to your toolkit for ensuring professional results every time. Number 6. Ram 6.7L Cummins 2019 to 2024 Diesel Filter Kit. Maintain your 2019 to 2024 Ram 6.7L Cummins optimally with Doc's Diesel Maintenance Kit. Expertly bundled for your convenience, this kit eliminates the hassle of sourcing individual parts, ensuring peak performance and efficiency mile after mile. It includes rigorously third-party tested fuel, oil, and air filters. The fuel/water separator boasts 3-micron at 99.1% efficiency, complemented by a 3-micron, 93.48% fuel filter. The oil filter cleans at 25-micron, 99%, ensuring engine longevity. You also get a 99.25% efficient engine air filter and a cabin air filter capturing particles down to 0.001 microns for a pristine interior. Maintain your investment effortlessly and drive with confidence. Number 5. 2019 to 2024 Ram 6.7L Cummins Filter Service Kit. Protect your 2019 to 2024 Ram 6.7L Cummins with our Filter Service Kit, engineered for ultimate peace of mind. Featuring premium Italy Alstrom 3-layer filter paper, this kit delivers maximum filtration and vital flow, capturing 99% of water contaminants and impurities down to 4 microns, ensures superior engine performance. This complete kit includes fuel/water separator, oil, engine air, and cabin air filters. Each component ensures precise fitment and extended life, making your diesel run cleaner, efficiently, and last longer. Keep your Ram roaring strong and cabin fresh for 20,000 to 40,000 miles of hassle-free protection. Number 4. Ram 6.7L Cummins Diesel Filter Kit. Keeping your 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Cummins running strong means giving it the best. Our DOX Diesel Filter Kit delivers exactly that. Designed with premium-grade, multi-layer media, these filters meet or exceed OEM quality, ensuring superior protection for your engine's longevity. This comprehensive kit includes everything your truck needs: fuel/water separator, oil, air, and even your cabin air filter. You'll appreciate the perfect OEM form, fit, and function, making installation a breeze and guaranteeing reliable performance mile after mile. Upgrade to DOX Diesel and experience a new standard in aftermarket filtration, keeping your Cummins healthy and performing at its peak. It's the smart choice for discerning Ram owners. Number 3. Amazon's Choice Top Pick. As an Amazon's Choice Top Pick, this isn't just a toolkit. It's your go-to solution for seamless 6.7L Cummins fluid service. Specifically engineered for 2013-plus Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins diesel 2500/3500 HD trucks. This vehicle-specific set ensures you always have the exact required tools for professional-grade maintenance. We've thoughtfully included the indispensable CTA 4334 Cummins oil filter plug, the precise CTA 7888 fuel filter socket, and a critical CTA 1021 water sensor wrench. Say goodbye to guesswork and frustrating improvisation. With these specialist tools, you'll perform vital services with confidence, saving time and preventing costly errors. Elevate your truck's maintenance experience. Trust the tools designed to do the job right. Number 2. 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Cummins Stainless Intercooler Kit. Ready to unleash the true power of your 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Cummins? Our stainless intercooler kit is a game changer. You know that restrictive, dented factory intercooler pipe? We replace it with precision-engineered, mandrel-bent 3.5-inch polished stainless steel pipes for both driver and passenger sides. This isn't just an upgrade, it's an optimization. By increasing airflow and eliminating the factory bottleneck, that 2.25-inch factory dent, you'll immediately feel a noticeable improvement in throttle response and overall engine efficiency. Crafted for durability and maximum flow, this direct replacement kit, professional installation recommended, ensures your Cummins breathes easier, delivers more consistent power, and feels more alive. Experience what your Ram was truly capable of. Number 1. Cummins Transmission Temperature Gauge. Protect your investment. Drive confidently. The MaxTone Match Transmission Temperature Gauge is expertly engineered for your 3rd-gen 5.9L 6.7L Cummins, providing real-time transmission fluid temperature monitoring, 80 to 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Its meticulous design features teal LED backlighting, digits, and an illuminated red needle, precision matched to your factory dashboard for an OEM-grade aesthetic. The innovative double-vision display provides clear analog and quick-glance digital readouts, ensuring effortless monitoring day or night with customizable brightness. A complete kit ensures straightforward installation, backed by MaxToe's robust warranty and lifetime technical support. Keep your Cummins running stronger, longer, with total peace of mind. So that sums up my 10 best second gen swap kit, 6.7 Cummins. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.